it's just a city girl. She's just a hardcore city girl. It's basically the film revolves around John and Nana and how everything can go wrong in one day, and that which obviously affects my life with John. And it's really interesting, and even the way they're promoting the film, I just love the fact that it's very stylized. It's very youth. It's nice.
How was it working with the director of Taxi?
It was very good. I love the whole team. I think they worked fabulously. The film was shot very fast. And what I like about the film is that every role I've chosen this year is going to be very, very, very different. Whether it is a period film where I'm playing like a complete, how do I explain this? It's a dacoit sister. So that makes me also a dacoit. So that's going to be different. And I'm playing a TV presenter in one film. So all the films I'm playing something different. And it was nice that in one film I'm just playing a simple, like a Bombay girl, which I am. So it's very different in that sense of view. Completely, because I feel I started off with a Maine Dil Tujhko Diya, which was very soft. It went on to something as glamorous as Musafir. And now this year I've chosen films which are very, I think few, I can call them massy because the characters are extremely, something that the masses will also love. As I said, something action oriented, something totally comedy, masti, chatpati. So I like the fact that I'm changing in every film, and I don't think my audiences will get bored at all.
So, Meera, is there any dream project you would like to work on?
Wow. Dream project, and we all have dream projects, but God, I would say Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film, any film with him, because I love the way he shoots with women. He captures something that I don't think even they know they have, and it would be dream project, any film.
Would you like to say something about the star cast of Taxi Number One, your co-stars of Taxi Number One?
I think Nana Patekar is one of the coolest guys I've met in my life. What I love about him is that he's just what he thinks is. I mean, what he says is what he thinks. He doesn't mince words, and I love the fact that he's so genuine and he's become one of my favorite people in the film industry. John is someone I've known even before I got into film. So for me, I think he's just a really really cool guy, and I'm so happy that he's doing so well. Other than that, the cast, I think my director Milan and everybody, we've had a great time shooting.
And some other star cast, Ritesh Deshmukh is also there. He's not in Taxi Number? Sonali Kulkarni?
Yes, I haven't worked with Sonali in a film, so but she's very nice. But I haven't really worked with her in a film because our characters don't cross paths.
Tell me about the direct to difficult job. What's that?
I would say what's more difficult of acting is the paraphernalia that comes with it. It's everything else around the acting. I think it's the press and the expectations and the fact that we have to look good all the time, outside as well as on set. I think that's the difficult part. Once I come on set, I love it. I enjoy the dancing, I enjoy the rona dhona, I enjoy the laughter. I think I just enjoy the whole acting process. What comes outside, that's difficult.
What's happening in personal life?
Well, my personal life, there is no personal life because I'm just working so hard. I think I've shot every day last year, and this year it started off with a shoot. So no time for a personal life at all. It's just work. I just wanted to be a part of a project like this. It's basically the whole story actually does revolve around John and Nana Patekar, but the way the film is going to move and the way it looks right now. And even my role is just completely, it's more of a characterization rather than hero heroine type, and I like it because it's very very Hollywood. So that is what attracted me to the film, and that's how I decided to take it up.
Which kind of brief you were given for your role?
Well, it was just about a city girl who basically she's very conscious of society. She's in love with this very big society guy, and she has dreams of, she's fallen in love with him. She wants to marry him, and how everything can go wrong and how dreams can be shattered. I think that is the aesthetic of the brief that I was given.
Let's talk about this happen.
It's again got something. It's not very Bollywood. It's not very filmy. It's just very cool. We've done this crazy video called Meter Down. It's again more. It's more John and Nana because they both are singing, and I just come in a little bit to give my little put in the song. But it is just such cool music. It's not one of those. It's not very. What's the word? It's just very hip. It's very with it.
Tell me about the choreographer of this movie.
My song was choreographed by Bosco Caesar, who's actually done Musafir with me. So I'm very close to them. They've done all my songs mostly. And again, they're more into hip hop, very youth. So I think that's why they really suited the song. And Meter Down was, I think, done by Piyush. And it was his first video, and I think he did such a fabulous job. It's so well done, that song.
Was there any step which you could not follow and they had to change?
I would say when it comes to dance, I love every second of it, and I don't think there's not even one step I wouldn't say no to. It's a challenge to do every step the right way.